So listen, vinyl siding is made out of plastic. Some people call it polymer, it's plastic. And you know, a lot of people ask what are the pros and cons. And listen, I'll be honest, I think vinyl is the worst siding on the market. So like there's 4 or 5 other options, like you can't do worse than vinyl. And so most people in Kansas City, but especially in Johnson, Jackson County, want the look of wood. They have in their house today, they don't want to substitute for cheap plastic. So aesthetically, it's not what you want to see. From a durability standpoint, it's plastic. So if we had to give you options and said, hey, you have to protect your home, your biggest investment, your family, you want to put plastic on it, brick on it, fiber cement, wood, plastic would be the last choice. So vinyl is not the most durable option. It's also a permanent solution. And some people think it's a positive, but it's really not. So all Sherwin-Williams, Valspar, Bayer, they've all done tons of studies. All their research says every 10 years, most people want to change their color. Maybe it's not you, but I'm just telling you, 80% of people every 10 years change the color of their house. That's just what the study shows across the country. When you put vinyl up, you can never repaint it. And so if you put up blue and you hate it in 10 years, you know, and the other thing about vinyl is there's no chance to make it look better. So the sun's on to feed it, it's gonna fade. Once it fades, you kind of can't bring it back. Like all you can do is replace it, and that's a huge cost to go back and replace it again. And so, you know, also for durability, it doesn't have a Class A fire rating. It's not warranty against hail damage. You know, there's some limited colors and styles. The biggest pro is that it's the most affordable option. Now that being said, if you look at a premium product like James Hardie, 5-6 years ago, Hardie cost twice as much. Today though, it's only maybe 35-40% more. And so you really gotta ask yourself, like, you're probably getting a good price, but like, are you really getting a good deal? What's the value look like? And so when you look at pros and cons, the only pro I can think of is that vinyl is cheap. That's it.